Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send an Easyjet boarding pass to a friend. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account or application, just like I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Easyjet? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type easyjet.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Easyjet. Once you get in there, the top right corner, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create an Easyjet account. And once you're done with the process, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an amazing time in Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to send an Easyjet boarding pass to a friend. Now, first off, you need to get your boarding pass. And how do you get the boarding pass to be able to share to a friend? From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include flight info, holidays, cars and transfer, business, booking.com, and manage bookings. Click on manage bookings, and it's going to take you right into the manage bookings window where you can now find your bookings. So you can click on view bookings in here, and once you do that, go ahead and find your bookings from here. But as you can see, I do not have any booking, so I just have to make a booking. But if you do, you're going to find it right under the flight tab or right under the holidays tab. So right here, we're using flight. So once you find your flight, go ahead and click on it, and you'll find a lot of options for you to explore. And one of them is boarding pass. So you can click on that and follow through with the process or the prompt to print your boarding pass. Now, if you want to share it to a friend, click on your boarding pass. And after clicking on your boarding pass, you're going to find the share icon. So use the share icon and enter the email address of the person that you want to share the boarding pass to. From there, you'll be able to share it to that friend. Okay, so you're going to see the share option, and after that, enter the email address of the friend you want to send it to and click on send, and that's going to be sent. Now, you can send boarding passes via email by clicking on the share button and sharing your boarding pass, or you can print the boarding pass. Let's say you boarded a flight for multiple persons. I want to share the boarding pass to you because all their boarding passes are in your accounts. One of the ways to use is the manual method if the sharing option is not just visible. You can take a screenshot of their boarding passes separately and send it to them via mail. Or you can even print the boarding passes and just use a traditional way. So send via mail or print. That's pretty much how you can send an Easyjet boarding pass to a friend. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.